welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I know I have been off Instagram and off YouTube for the longest time. So I am back with this video and I'm going to let you know everything that main kaha thi, what was I doing, what was I thinking, and what is the update on my jewelry store and everything. So if you want to know everything, please keep on watching the video, and yeah, without wasting any further time, let's begin. Okay, so first of all, let's prime our face and then I'll begin with all the gossips that we're going through and a lot of assumptions that you all have about me and where was I really need to get my base products, you know. I have to buy new base products. मेरे सारे base products like खत्म हो चुके हैं. मैं foundation तो कुरेद कर वापर रही हूँ, and now I have a confusion between buying NYX, Milani or K-Beauty. So if you have any recommendations, please leave it down in the comment section. So let me answer the most basic question of all. Where was I these days? So I was on a social media detox break, and you know I manage two jobs simultaneously. I have a full-time IT job and मैं ये भी manage करती हूँ, and now I have my own business, isn't it? You know, right? If you haven't checked out my business details and all my products, I will link it over here. You can check that video out as well. So that was really hectic for me. Like मुझे YouTube video shoot करने का तो बिल्कुल ही time नहीं मिलता था. So I just thought कि मुझे थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेना चाहिए. ऑल्सो ऐसा नहीं है कि उस पीरियड में भी मैंने कुछ शूट नहीं किया. आई डिड शूट अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज एंड यू वॉन्ट बिलीव मी, आई ट्रैश्ड ऑलमोस्ट लाइक a dozen of videos. I shot a dozen of videos, but I was in a self-rejection phase. Like something has happened to me. I am still in the self-rejection phase. I am filming this video, but I don't know if this will make it to YouTube or not. So I am still in the self-rejection phase. I always talk about you should not compare yourselves with anybody or something, but the comparison eventually gets into your head. So actually वो हो गया था मेरे साथ, and I did film a lot of videos, but I rejected all of them by myself. So इस phase से बाहर निकलने के लिए the thing that I thought that I should do is I will shoot the film, I will shoot the video, I will edit the video, and I will not decide whether it should be uploaded to YouTube or not. I will let my friends and family, I mean close friends and family, जिनको मैं पहले भी मेरे सारे videos दिखाती थी, I will let them decide because they will always give me honest opinions, I know. So मैं उनको कहूँगी decide करने के लिए whether you know ये video upload करनी चाहिए या नहीं, because I think see everything needs practice. Nobody can be perfect at every point of time. Okay, so मेरी काफी दिन से practice छूट गई थी and I have rejected almost a dozen of videos. And ऐसा भी नहीं कि मैंने उसका बैकअप रखा, मैंने सारे के सारे डिलीट कर दिए. सो इफ आई वांट टू गेट बैक टू ट्रैक नाउ, आई हैव टू फिल्म दोज डजन वीडियोज अगेन. सो पता नहीं कब तक चलता ये, एंड आई रियली लव यूट्यूब. आई रियली थिंक आई हैव अ करियर इन यूट्यूब एंड आई रियली वांट टू मेक अ करियर इन यूट्यूब. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट थॉट आई विल लेट समबडी एल्स डिसाइड फॉर मी कि ये वीडियो अपलोड होनी चाहिए या नहीं. सो दैट वॉज द रीजन आफ्टर ऑल आई वॉज नॉट एक्टिव ऑन YouTube. Now coming to Instagram, why I was not active on Instagram is because Instagram पे इतना सब कुछ अभी हो गया है. I mean like reels and stuff, and everybody is like turning into Instagram models, and everybody is like doing something or the other, and I am like I don't have the perfect figure. I don't have an iPhone to shoot like those aesthetic videos. I shoot every damn thing from my Redmi Note 7 Pro. So कभी कभी वो थोड़ा सा complex हो जाता है मुझे. So that was the reason I was just resenting to post on Instagram as well. I have just made up my mind that I have to work with whatever I have, and I have to feel blessed about whatever I have and stop complaining about things I don't have. So that is what exactly I am going to do, and hopefully you will see a lot more of me. And you can see मैंने फिर से थोड़ी सी हिम्मत करके नए contact lenses लिए हैं. This time they are brown, so you know they are not very easy to see. लेकिन देखते हैं, maybe the ring light can help with that. apart from all this, how have you all been this time? Have you missed me? Have you missed me on YouTube? Have you missed my videos, my face, my No Filter Friday videos on YouTube? Please let me know in the comment section. Also मैंने बीच में बहुत सारे polls भी लिए थे Instagram पे to let you to know कि आपको कौन सी videos देखनी है. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go and follow me on Instagram. Okay, so that was all about why I was not active on Instagram and why I had to take a social media detox break. Now coming back to the business, a lot of people were asking me whether my business is still on or it's still open or something. So let me just tell you, we are open. We have free delivery on all orders, and we are also putting regular sales. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, please go and follow us on Instagram. We are giving a lot of sales, and also there is a 10% off on your first order. Can you imagine? You should always keep a stock of jewelry, and whenever you see good jewelry, just buy it, because I have always emphasized on my channel, even before I started a jewelry business, is that good jewelry is an investment. It will always help you lift your outfit from 0 to 100. Okay, same outfit hai, but jewelry and accessories alag hai. You will still look different every time. If you want to check out how to look different by only changing accessories and jewelry, then check out this video right here. यहाँ पे मैंने सब कुछ डिटेल में बताया हुआ है. So I think I have given you enough reason कि आप मेरे स्टोर पे जाएं and check करें कि क्या क्या अच्छा है क्या नहीं. If there is a DM for price, please DM me for prices. I will give you specialized prices. Okay. The reason we don't write DM, we don't write the price in the comment section is because I want you to come to me so that I can give you specialized offers. Like people who are coming first time shopping के लिए, we give them 10% discount. People who are coming second time shopping के लिए, there is an offer in which if you buy products worth rupees 800, you get a earring rupees 150 absolutely free. So that's why I tell you DM for price, so that I can explain everything to you. So if there is a DM for price written in the caption, then please DM for price. This is going to benefit you only, and please request for specialized offers, because we give specialized offers and we believe कि हाँ वो specialized offers में कितना मजा आता है. पूरा लॉकडाउन आएगा तब क्या सिचुएशन है, I will just update you guys about that. But right now at this moment when I'm shooting this video, अभी तो हमारा business चालू है. Yeah, and another thing about the business is that a lot of people keep asking me about free shipping and stuff. COD and stuff. Now the thing with COD is I understand that नए brands के पास से you want COD. Even लोग Amazon, Flipkart पे से भी COD order करते हैं. But the thing with this thing is we are a small business, right? So there is nothing we could do. There are no hidden charges. Like I am not earning any profit if I am charging you rupees 100 extra for the courier charges. उल्टा courier वाले हमें 150 charge लगाते हैं for any cash on delivery expenses. So I'm not telling you कि हमारे यहाँ पे delivery cash on delivery कभी भी नहीं होगी. I'm just telling you to have patience and have faith in me and just make the payment prepaid, so that हमें भी कम लॉस होगा, आपको भी कम लॉस होगा, and everybody is happy. So the main thing is about trust, I know, and I request you all to please keep trust on me, and I will make sure that your product gets delivered to you at any cost. And quality की आप बिल्कुल टेंशन मत लीजिए. If you have any questions regarding quality and everything, you can check out our page on Instagram. वहाँ पे मैंने सब customers के reviews भी डाले हुए हैं. They are real people. You can check their account. I have also tagged them, and they have found our products really worth the price. So yeah, that was all about the business. So the business is open. Is there anything else you want to know? Please comment down in the comment section. I will be so glad to do it. And with that, my makeup is done. I think I'm just going to be going in with the kajal, because it looks really my eyes look really different. So I'll just be going in with the kajal. For kajal, I'll be using the Stay Quirky kajal. I have been swearing by this product like for the longest time, and Okay, so finally for setting my makeup into place, I'll be using this Wet n Wild setting spray which I got on my birthday. If you haven't checked my birthday gifts video, I will link it over here. You can go ahead and check that out as well. So I'm just going to be spraying this from a distance and just setting it into place. I will just wear my accessories. I'll just make my hair and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I am done. I am wearing this big hoop earrings, my watch, my ring and everything. So with that we come to an end of this video. I hope you liked this chit chat, getting ready with me sort of video. And I cannot switch on my fan because uska आवाज इस video में आता है फिर. So that's why I am just sweating. Please ignore that. And apart from that, I have told you everything why I was off YouTube, off Instagram. I will soon come with a lot of videos and I promise I'll be more active from here on. And I am also making a video on how to deal with anxiety very soon. So stay tuned on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? Please go and subscribe to that channel, and I will surely try and make more No Filter Friday videos for you all because you loved my No Filter Friday videos, I know. So I also did love them. So yeah, I will try to bring them on very soon. Till then, you can go and follow me on Instagram, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can check out my jewelry page, which by the way has a lot of trending jewelry. So with that, this is me, Niharika, signing off, and I will meet you all in my next video. Till then, keep smiling.